Hello, friends. Welcome again to this wonderful world of possibilities. Today, I'm going to share with you the business plan of Indusviva, the key features of the business plan in the short and crisp video. So, let's go and understand the business plan that is serving millions in the world and earnings. So, what are the key features of Indusviva business plan? So, first is it's a hybrid plan. It has the benefits of the retail profit along with the team profit. It provides you the spillover of team members and as well as the business. It is a weekly business and the payouts are paid to you on the weekly basis, and the accumulated business never becomes zero. That is another key features of this business. Whatever you earn and accumulate as a business, it is carried over. It's never becomes zero. And another very important feature of this business is it gives you a very high percentage of repeatability. What does it mean is the business that you do in a week will definitely repeat next week to the percentage of 80 to 90%. So let's understand all these things in more detail. Okay, so first of all, let's understand what do we mean by the hybrid plan. So hybrid plan basically refers to a plan that gives you the benefit of all the possible business plans that are running in the direct selling industry. So, in our business, we are not involved in paying in levels. There is a single level across the depth and breadth of your team size. No matter what is your team size, what is the depth of the team, what is the breadth of the team, you will be consistently paid 10% of the matching team business that you are doing. What does it mean is no matter your team is of 1 level, 2 level, 3 level, 5 level, 10th level, or 20th level, whatever volume that the team is generating, the matching bonus of the left organization and the right organization will be paid to you upfront to the term of 10%. Okay, now let's understand it more. So suppose as shown in the figure, so suppose you are starting the business today. So you consider yourself as the CEO of your organization. So you start building your organization, one on the left side and another on the right side. So only possibilities for you to start business is you will have only two organizations. It's similar to like we have two hands, we have two legs, we have two eyes. So there is a definitely a reason why we have two, only two. The reason is it gives you the balance, it gives you the focus. So you will have when you start as a business partner with Indusviva, you will have one left organization and you will have another as your right organization. Okay, so when you start building your initial team structure and you have a basic team structure ready, so after that level, the business payout is purely on the turnover. So please remember, it's not just a business where you are just counting on the headcounts. The business payouts are not dependent on the headcounts. It's purely a turnover based business. And the turnover is 80 to 90% repeatable, as I mentioned earlier. So, the reason of that is Indusviva business is into the healthcare industry, which is a $1 trillion market in the upcoming years. That's why you need not to build the market, and the solutions that you offer to the masses have such good results that you will have the repeat business to the end tune of the 80 to 90%. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. So now hybrid plan, let's understand again, it's not a generation plan, it's not a sunflower plan, it's one of the best business plan present as of today in the direct selling industry, which gives you the benefit of both the retail income and the team based income. So you can have the retail income as well, and you can have the team business income as well. So let's understand what do we mean by the retail and how much we can earn in this business. Okay. So retail payout is upfront 20%. I'm repeating, retail payout is upfront 20%. What does that mean is, whatever you do the retail, no matter how much is the volume, you will be paid upfront 20% of whatever you sell. Okay. So just let me give you an example. So suppose we have only two solutions on offer for the US market. One is the Ayurveda and another is the iCoffee. So let me just give you a glimpse on, suppose you are selling or you are retailing 4 bottles of Ayurveda, which is a 1000 ml bottle. So the distributor price of that 4 bottles is $200. Okay. If I talk in the business terms, it turns into the 100 PV, means 100 point values. Okay. So 4 bottles which cost $200 to the dealer and has a 100 point value, it is suggested to sell that sell those for 4 bottles on at the rate of $240. So what does that mean is, you earn the upfront profit of $40. So at the dealer price of $200, $40 turn out to be the 20% of the dealer price. Okay, so $200 dollars of the dealer price for the 4 pieces plus the $40 your profit. So the suggested retail price that you will do the retail on is $240. Same way, if you are doing the retail of iCoffee, again 4 packets each of 50 sachet inside it will cost you $200, and you will again sell it at a suggested price of $240. Okay. Now, what else we have in retail profit? So this is the upfront thing. So whatever volume you're doing, so upfront 20% you are getting on the retail. I'm not talking about the team bonus yet. We'll talk about it later. Okay. So company basically offers something extra. And what is that extra? Let's understand. So some people are really awesome in doing retail. Okay. So company understands that, and they put you an offer that on the month. So let me first clarify it. This payout is weekly, this business runs weekly, but the benefits, the extra benefits into the retailing that I'm talking about is based on the monthly turnover. So suppose in a calendar month you are the top retailer for the company, so you will get $1,000 extra to whatever retail you have done. That 20% you are anyway getting, but if you are the topmost retailer of the company in that month, in that calendar month, you will get $1,000 extra. And if you are the second person, you will get $500. So what about if you are not the first and second? So company has a generic consolation prizes, we call about it. So what does it mean is that if in a calendar month you are doing a business of 1000 PVs, what does it mean is 1000 PVs means you are retailing around 40 pieces. Okay, so you will get extra $240 worth products free of cost. Okay, so it means if you retail 40 pieces in a calendar month, you are entitled to receive products worth $240 free. What does it mean is you will get 4 products free of cost. Okay. Similarly, if you do a business of 600 PV, you will get 2 products worth $120. And if you are doing a 300 PV business, you will get one product worth $60 free of cost. So on an average, if I calculate this, if you are doing a if you are retail of 40 pieces in a month, in a calendar month, so you earn on an approximately basis, you earn around 30% of the total volume you generate. So 20% comes to you directly, and rest comes into the in the form of the free products that companies offer you for doing the awesome retail business. Hope you are following me. Okay, so now let's understand the team business or the team profit that can be earned in the Indusviva business. Okay, now again, as I already mentioned to you, so this is a hybrid business. This is a 21st century business. So it does not have any earnings gap between the different levels. So across whatever depth your team is, whatever width your team has, there is a consistent payout of 10%. What does that mean is, so you, as I already discussed, you can have only initially you can have only two organizations. One is your left organization and another is your right organization. So suppose you have three team members in your left organization and three in the right organization, and everybody is doing a business of 200 PV. For the calculation purposes, I have kept it simple. So three team members in the left did 200 PV business each, and the same thing was done by the right organization. Okay, so you will get a matching of 600 PV. What does that mean is, in that week itself, you match 600 point values for the as a team, and you will pay out. You will be paid $120 as a team bonus. That is, overall, whatever business team does in the left and whatever the business team does in the right, and the matching whatever business is cash to you at the rate of 10%. Okay, so what does that mean is, so it translates, so going by this, so as I already told you, you need not to have a very big team for that. For doing awesome business, it's all about turnover. Okay, so even with a very minimal team size of 6 to 10 people, you can earn $10,000 weekly. Yes, you heard it right. It's $10,000 weekly can be earned in Indusviva Business with around 6 to 7 active people in each organization. Like, so that's what I was saying. It's not about the headcounts, it's about the turnover you generate to the company. So the team profit, just with a consistent 10% payout of whatever volume the teams are generating, you can earn $10,000 weekly. I repeat, weekly. Okay. Now let's understand other very good aspects of Indusviva business. Okay. Now, one of the good thing is, I already told you the question. You might be having a question that if I can have only two organization, one is left and another is right, what will happen if my team is doing great business? So let's understand two spillovers. I already told you in my first slide that there are two types of spillover. One is the spillover of business, and another is the spillover of the team members. So let's first understand the spillover of the business. Okay. Now suppose, so you are the CEO of your company. So now you started your left organization. There are three people in your left organization, and then suppose each one is doing a business of 1000 PVs in that week, and then you have a similar structure on in your right organization of three people, and they are doing a business of 2000 PVs. Okay, so right team was more aggressive that particular week, and they did a business of 6000 PVs in total, and the left organization did a business of 3000 PVs. Okay, so what does that mean to you? So you, as a team owner, or the team creator, you will get the matching of 3000 PVs in that week. Okay. So because the left team did the business of 3000, the right team did the business of 6000, but the matching will be of 3000, and the payout of the 3000 PVs will be $600 for that week. Now, the question arises, what will happen to the extra business that the right team has done? So, the good news is it's carried over, it's spill over to the next week. So, that's what I was mentioning earlier, nothing goes zero. So the effort, the earnings or the turnover that the teams are generating and they are not matching in that week, they are carried forward to the following week. So what does it mean is, as per the example shown on your screen, so we match 3000 PVs in the business. So for that week, the upfront payment you will get will be of $600, and the rest of the extra 3000 PVs that was generated by the right organization is carried over to the next week, and it will be calculated for the matching purposes. So the same way, if the next week the left organization all combined did a business of 6000 PVs, and the right organization did a business of 3000 PVs only, so the carried forward 3000 PVs of the earlier week will combine and you will get a matching of 6000 PVs. It means it gives you $1200. Okay, hope I am making sense out of it. Okay, so now let's understand another spillover side of it. Now, this is what I was mentioning you. So, okay, so the extra PVs that any side is generating is carried over. Okay, so now let's understand another spillover. That's one of the unique concept that the hybrid plan gives to the Indusviva business. So being a hybrid plan, and only you can have the left organization and the right organization. Okay, so now the question arises, I started with the partner 1 on the left and partner 2 on the right. What if I get a partner 3 or partner 4? So the best part is the partner 3 or the partner 4 that you are bringing into your team as a business partner, they will either go to your left organization or to the right organization. You got my point? So what does it mean is, so suppose you are sitting at the top as the CEO of the organization and you were having partner 1 and partner 2, and then you added partner 3 on the right side and partner 4 on the left side. So now automatically partner 3 and partner 4 respectively become part of the organization of partner 2 and partner 1 respectively. So what it means is the efforts of the upline is also helping the team downline. Okay, but it does not mean that the team down your organization need not to work. They had to match the PVs. Okay, but that is a significant boost you give to your team. Hope you are following me. So just to explain it to more, so you bring partner 1 and you bring partner 2, you put one in your left organization, you put another in the right organization, and now you have partner 3 and partner 4. The only place they will go, either they will go to the left or either they will go to the extreme right. So when you put your partners to the extreme left or the extreme right, they automatically become business partners of your team wherever they are added. Okay, so now partner 4, although it was brought by you, it becomes a team member of partner 1 as well. So whatever volume partner 4 will be generating, it will help boost the profits of partner 1 as well, and definitely yours. Hope these all features make you understand why Indusviva Business is a very awesome business with a very beautiful compensation plan and with the best of the breed features of the direct selling industry. Hope this is clear. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Do a awesome business. Keep rocking in the business. See you again. Thank you. Bye bye.